Okay guys, so I finally made up my bed. I had to stop recording because I was afraid that it was gonna say that the disc was too full and I don't want that. But guys, I hate making up my bed because I have to climb on a little bed loft thingy on each side, and like it's just a mess. Like, I hate making up my bed. So my room is all clean, as you guys can see. I will vacuum tomorrow because I don't feel like going downstairs and running a vacuum right now. But everything is just put away much cleaner. I don't feel like I'm in a pigsty. So yes, loving my little clean room. And I know that this top part kind of looks chaotic, but on this side I have like my skincare and like hair care stuff. That's why it looks so crowded over there. And then on this side is like just a bunch of makeup. But I am planning on decluttering and taking like my brushes and stuff home, because that's what's taking up a lot of room, are those glass brushes, or glass little cups in the back with my brushes in them. So I am going to try to do that, but you know, all of that is clear, my desk space. And I do need to do laundry, I already know that. I'm gonna do that at some point. And that chair is finally clean. I just have my tripod over there because that's where I was using it as of now. And look, I have my little cat, his picture right there. I miss him so much. I love going home because I miss my cat. Then everything is all clean. So yeah, if you guys enjoy these videos, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, that's what that is. Why do I do that every video? But don't forget to comment and subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so you are notified as soon as I upload a video. And I will see you guys in my next video.